Welcome to our YouTube channel on dating tips. Today we're going to look at dealing with risks. Marriage is an awesome undertaking as it will dictate with whom you live with for the rest of your life. Dating is designed to take the risk out of marrying the wrong person by allowing you to size up your potential spouse before committing yourself. However, the dating process itself is risk-prone because you have to make yourself vulnerable to a potential stranger. But without that vulnerability, you'll not be able to connect with that person. So, how can you be vulnerable without incurring significant risks? To answer this, we must first understand what is meant by vulnerability. Simply put, it means that you put yourself in the position of being hurt. It is this fear of incurring pain that prevents people from properly dating and in some cases not dating at all. In short, vulnerability means two things: fear and pain. So how do we address these? Dealing with fear. Fear is born out of the unknown. In other words, the more you know, the less you fear. On this basis, it is vital to make inquiries about your date. In some cases, this is comparatively easy as your potential date may be already in your circle of friends or part of your local community. However, in other situations, you may be introduced to a blind date or someone from a dating site. How to make inquiries is discussed in our video, Dating, Making Inquiries. However, here are 4 general rules. Know what to ask. Know whom to ask. Know how to ask. And know how to interpret the results. Next, dealing with pain. As noted, fear is born out of the unknown. However, ironically, fear also comes from what you already know, if that has caused you pain. It is the ability to deal with pain that is vital for the dating process. In other words, you cannot change the past, but you can deal with your interpretation of it. On this basis, pain is a relative concept. It is a vital catalyst for change, provided that change leads to improvement. On the other hand, pain becomes self-defeating if it demotivates you from dating or encourages repetitions of destructive behavior that will sabotage a date. The ability to deal with pain very much depends on the rewards which await you if you achieve your goals. So consider the following checklist of pros and cons. 1. You're afraid to marry because it can lead to divorce, abuse, having your children taken away from you, and so forth. But consider this: such setbacks may have happened to someone else, but this does not predicate that it will happen to you. But what if these steps have happened to you? What do you do then? Remember, the past does not dictate the future unless you want it to happen. Why let your life slip away? Is it worth erecting your own prison and living your life alone? Remember, the older you become, the harder it can get. Making yourself vulnerable in dating is unavoidable, but that is not an excuse to take steps to reduce the risks. It is the question of striking the right emotional balance to accept pain and fear as opportunities for growth rather than limiting factors and depriving yourself of your true life partner. I trust that you enjoyed this video. For more videos in this series, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.